Welcome back to Vital Aspect Travel and Food. Today we're exploring San Francisco's Union Square following the Thanksgiving holiday in 2025, and honestly, the city is cleaner than we expected. We're checking into a wonderful hotel and finish the day with an amazing meal at the Cheesecake Factory. Let's jump right on into it. So as we arrive at the Marriott here in Union Square, check-in was pretty quick and smooth, and the first thing we realized was how clean everything felt. Fresh lobby, great service, and zero hassle. When we got up to the room, the view opened right toward Taylor Street, where the cable cars roll by every few minutes. The windows were a bit dirty from the outside, typically city dust, but even with that, the view was still beautiful. Watching the cable cars glide through downtown from our room really set the tone for an awesome stay in the city. Now we're heading out on foot toward Union Square for some photo ops with that massive Christmas tree. Seriously, it lights up the whole plaza. While we're out here soaking up the holiday vibes, we've already decided on dinner at the Cheesecake Factory. The perfect stop before tonight's show later, where we got tickets to see Daniel Tosh live at the Masonic Center. We ended up waiting about 45 minutes for a table, but honestly, it was worth it. We started with pot stickers and fried mac and cheese balls. Both came out hot and absolutely hit the spot. My wife ordered the crispy chicken romano, perfectly golden and tender, and I went with the spicy ginger beef stir fry, and yes, it was spicy, but packed with flavor. The outdoor seating had phenomenal views of Union Square, all lit up for the holidays. And right as we finished our meal, we even saw a pigeon hop onto the table next to us and start cleaning the plates. Only in San Francisco. As our night wrapped up, one thing kept surprising us, just how clean San Francisco felt this year. From Union Square to the surrounding streets, the city had a freshness we honestly didn't expect here in 2025, and staying at a hotel so close to everything made the trip effortless. After the show, we stopped by a cozy pub just a short walk from the hotel for a quick nightcap. The atmosphere was warm, welcoming, and the perfect way to wind down the evening. Daniel Tosh brought an energy that kept us laughing the whole night, and if you're in town when he's performing, we definitely recommend catching his show. Overall, it was one of those rare travel days where everything felt easy, enjoyable, and right within reach. The Marriott in Union Square was an awesome hotel with a beautiful bar and restaurant down below that we highly recommend if you're ever in the city for $200 a night. A perfect reminder why we love exploring here at Vital Aspect Travel and Food. Union Square, San Francisco.